Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy S10. So the color that I got my S10 in is in Prism Black, and the box comes in this matte black finish. It's very simplistic, which I love. Um, yeah, enough talking. Let's get into the box. The moment you get into the box, you'll see another box. This box includes all your brochures, safety information, and I think also a phone case. Yeah. The phone case is plastic, but I can feel that it's a really high quality plastic. Like Apple could never beat this. The quality on this case is amazing, and I really like how, yeah, there's barely any imperfections to it. So, when you take out the other box out of the main box, you'll get your phone. Samsung this year made it so that their phone is thinner, more bezel-less. But in my opinion, Apple is much more bezel-less with that big ass notch. So what they show you over here is the internals of the phone, which is connected to their ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Now, this move was so that they could try to convince Apple fans that you don't have to look at the outside to see whether a phone is good or not. So, yeah, we'll get back to this later. When you get inside, you'll see, Samsung branding. You'll see a dongle. How dare Samsung copy Apple? You know, Apple has been giving you dongles for years when they remove the headphone jack and everything. Why? Why do you copy them? Oh my god. But this is big enough so that when you lose it, you don't have to pay Apple $15 to replace a necessity. So you have your charging brick. Yeah, it's really well packaged, as you can see. No blemishes whatsoever. Now when you get inside here, you have your earbuds, you know, which in my opinion is way too hard for me. Like, I like a more softer texture, but that's okay. You'll get your cable, and I really like this cable because it doesn't break the moment you step on it. Yeah. You also get your earphones, which is AKG branded. Yeah, very high quality. I like the braided material. It's not some cheap plastic rubber mess, you know? I really like it. Now, yeah, they gave you an exclusive care pack worth $128, which in my opinion is an amazing thing. Because Apple, they don't care. That's why you have ladies screaming at the Apple store, "Where's my Apple Pay? Where's my Apple Care?" Sorry, I'm drunk. Yeah, overall, I'm really satisfied with the product. What I feel that it could be a little more expensive so that it could match Apple. But yeah, other than that, I really love the phone, and I'll be giving a camera test next week. Goodbye.